This bill to allow dentists to give the COVID-19 vaccine is in its infancy here at the State House. If it passes, Iowa would not be the first state to do this.
We really thought that it makes sense.
The Iowa Dental Board authored House Study Bill 71, which would also allow dentists to give flu shots. Its chair says dentists want to play a greater role in keeping Iowans healthy.
We are healthcare providers. We have a lot of touch points with patients in terms of them coming in routinely and regularly, and we certainly feel that we have the qualifications. We administer many injections on a daily basis.
States like California and Oregon already allow dentists to give COVID-19 vaccines. It's part of a nationwide push to expand the role of vaccination beyond doctors, nurses, and pharmacists. In Florida, paramedics can give the shots, and in some states, optometrists want to as well. Under Iowa's proposed bill, dentist participation is voluntary. They need a minimum of 4 hours of training. But some groups are coming out against the idea. The head of the Iowa Medical Society says it isn't a question of qualifications, but his group has concerns about people not part of the existing immunization system giving shots, saying it's important for high-risk patients to see their regular doctors who can access their full history, and this doesn't address the central issue.
The issues that are currently going on have to do with the supply of the vaccine. It has nothing to do with the number of providers able to give the vaccine.
All the reasons that they may be opposed, I guess I don't necessarily want to speak to that. I think some of it is just sort of maybe a turf issue. And I think some professional organizations, that's their job, is to kind of protect their profession.
The bill's been assigned to the Human Resources Subcommittee, but so far a hearing hasn't been scheduled. At the State House, Chris Gothner, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.